Hello friends. A common problem for users using multiple environments is to keep track of the environment in which they currently are working in. The possibility of users making changes in testing environment, thinking it to be a production environment, can lead to duplication of effort, whereas changes made by users in production environment, assuming it's a test environment, could lead to much more complex outcomes. One way to avoid such problems is to have the instance name in the header somewhere over here, and the other elegant way is to have a different branding theme altogether. This way the production environment can be identified from others, or probably you can use both the options together. Let's look at these options one by one. Let's start by adding the environment name in the header. Header can be found out from the theme details, and theme details can be found out from the branding system objects. Here you'll find out which theme is being used. Using the name of this theme, when you follow the navigation portal brandings assemble themes, you can find out which header is in use. Once you know the name of the header that is in use, you can make changes to the header following navigation, portal, branding, define headers and footers. I've moved to this header and I'm going to add the database name. You don't need to make any code changes. The database name is a system parameter. So I'm going to add a child, which is a basic text message. I'm going to use a different font so that the database name is clearly visible in the blue background. I have a PS font that is ready, and instead of using static text, I'm going to use a system variable, and this system variable can be anything. It can be date, it can be date time, it can be database name, which is what we need. It can be even the name of the user who has logged in. So the choice is completely yours. I'm selecting database name, and once this is selected, I'm going to see where it is positioned. This is not positioned where I need it. This is positioned way below. I need it to be positioned below the search box. To change this, you just need to change the order. It says 03 after PT search box, and you can see the position of database name has been changed. I'm just going to save this theme. This is as simple as that. Although we have added the database name over here, you might need more text to be added. In such a condition, you can choose to have an app package give you the text that you need to display. For example, I've created a small app package over here which displays a welcome message and some more details. There's nothing much to it. Repeat the same procedure. Add a basic text. Use a good font that can be visible. Use the application class method. Now if you see, my application class method is CC display easy. Text. My class ID is text, and the method that I'm going to use is display text. This can give you a lot of flexibility in terms of what you need to display. This is what is being displayed over here. I'm just sending the details, so it's totally up to you. PeopleSoft provides a lot of flexibility in what can be displayed over here. So this was the first part of solution. Now moving to the second part of solution. The general idea of this solution is to have a different theme for different environment. So your production environment will look totally different from your testing environment. For that you need an altogether different theme which looks different, and here I'm using red colored theme. Although this can be manually changed, but there is a strong chance that this can be missed. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to give you a sequel. You just have to provide the name of the theme in the sequel and add this sequel to your post refresh scripts. The post refresh scripts are executed after creation of any environment. So I'm just going to execute the script right now. I'm going to commit it, and once done, when the user logs in, he'll have an altogether different look and feel. You can have different headers for each theme as well. The different color of the theme and the different header can help the user identify difference between the production and the test environment. I am providing you the sequel in the video description below. In the next video, we will be seeing how these themes can be created, which are integral part of this solution. Thank you.